Yeah, I've been ready. I have no choice but to be ready. I feel strong.
The prosecution and defense are getting ready for opening statements at Karen Reed's second murder trial in Dedham, Massachusetts. It took 10 days to select a jury of 18. 9 men and 9 women will listen to the evidence, but only 12 will deliberate. The first thing they'll hear is the prosecution and defense lay out their case, kind of like a roadmap.
Opening statements are not considered evidence, and jurors are told don't consider them. It's just what the lawyers are saying off the top of their head on what they expect you to hear.
This time, Hank Brennan is a special prosecutor for the district attorney's office. The Commonwealth says they plan to use a statement Reed made on camera during openings.
I expect that's only 15 seconds.
Okay. Reed has done a number of interviews since her mistrial last July and says she heard the specific clip that will be played on Tuesday.
Nothing that phases me in any way.
Can you tell us?
I don't think I can, no.
Generally speaking, people are using audio visual aids and graphs and things like that increasingly during opening statements. So rather than just say what she said, they obviously have some point that they want to make.
Meanwhile, Reed says Alan Jackson will give opening statements for the defense. During the first trial, David Unetti did. They too will show something to the jury.
There's only a single photograph we intend to display. It will be an admitted exhibit.
Close to 600 people were vetted during the jury selection process. With the trial expected to take 6 to 8 weeks, a final motions hearing happened before opening statements. Things got fiery over 2 experts from ARCA who were expected to be called to the stand again. The Commonwealth says they have concerns about new potential reports coming from the crash reconstruction experts after the trial has already started.
This is the number one issue I anticipated and that I've tried to prevent.
We do not have additional reports or findings as yet.
Judge Beverly Cannoni ruled the defense has to disclose any testing underway or planned by Monday afternoon and the date it will be completed.
Generally speaking, you want to present all the evidence beforehand, before the trial even begins, to give the other side a fair chance to review it.
Cannoni also ruled a dog expert, James Crosby, can testify, but is limited about what he can say about his bite mark analysis. Reed's attorneys claim she was framed and the marks on John O'Keefe's arm could have been caused by the Canton homeowner's German Shepherd. The defense won't be able to point the finger at anyone else at the party that night during opening statements. Katie Benoit, NBC 10 News.